Welcome to the world of print on demand. Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs. The world of print on demand, or POD, awaits brimming with opportunity. Imagine this: you create unique designs and customers order your products on demand. No inventory headaches, just pure creativity and profit. But with countless possibilities, finding your niche is the key to standing out. This guide will equip you with the tools and knowledge to unlock your ideal pod niche. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey to print-on-demand success. This guide is your roadmap to navigating the exciting world of print-on-demand. We'll explore proven strategies together. Let's transform your passion for design and entrepreneurial spirit into a thriving POD business. Get ready to roll up your sleeves, unleash your creativity, and unlock your unique path in the world of print on demand. Why is finding your niche so crucial in the print-on-demand world? Imagine a vast sea of products. How will yours stand out? Choosing the right niche provides focus. This allows for targeted marketing and attracts a dedicated customer base. It's about aligning your passion with market demand. This potent combination is the recipe for a successful POD venture. Think of it as finding your tribe. These are people who connect with your designs and share your interests. A well-defined niche allows you to become an authority in that space. This fosters trust and loyalty, leading to repeat customers and positive word-of-mouth marketing. Remember, success in POD isn't just about selling, it's about building a community around your brand. Now that you understand the why, let's explore the how. Uncovering your ideal pod niche requires a blend of research and strategic thinking. Start with thorough market research. Explore popular online marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon. Analyze trending products and identify potential gaps in the market. Next, tap into your passions. What are you genuinely interested in? Whether it's animals, travel, or fitness, aligning your business with your passions makes the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Analyze current trends. What's hot right now? Are there emerging interests you can cater to? Remember, staying ahead of the curve can give you a competitive edge. Finally, evaluate the competition. Are there already established players in your chosen niche? Don't be discouraged. Instead, analyze their strengths and weaknesses to identify opportunities for differentiation. Section 4. Testing the waters from idea to action. You've researched, analyzed, and identified potential niches. Now it's time to test the waters and refine your approach. Start by creating a list of product ideas that align with your chosen niche. Don't be afraid to brainstorm and experiment with different concepts. Utilize free design tools like Canva to create mock-ups of your product ideas. Visualizing your designs helps refine your vision and identify any potential issues. Next, gather feedback from your target audience, share your mock-ups on relevant online forums or social media groups, and solicit honest opinions. Constructive criticism is invaluable during the early stages. Once you've received feedback, refine your designs and select a few strong contenders for initial testing. Remember, it's better to start small and iterate than to go all in on an untested idea. Section 5. Conclusion. Your print-on-demand journey begins. Congratulations. You've gained valuable insights into unlocking your ideal print-on-demand niche. Now it's time to put your knowledge into action. Remember, success in POD, like any venture, requires effort, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't be afraid to experiment, embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, and most importantly, enjoy the creative journey. This guide has equipped you with the foundational knowledge to navigate the exciting world of print on demand. For a deeper dive into product design, marketing, and scaling your pod business, explore the resources available on our website. Let's turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a thriving reality.